Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. Today in this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, all you need to do is open up your Facebook application. And after you do this, you can see these horizontal lines on the right top corner. Tap on it, and then here you can see the settings and privacy. Tap on it, and on the top you can see the settings option here. Tap on it. And after that, all you need to do is tap on this see more in account center option here. And after this, here you can see your account, your personal details, password and security. Click on personal details, and here you can see account ownership and control option here. Tap on it. And now here, deactivation or deletion option you got here. Tap on it and choose your account. And after this, from here, if you want to delete your account permanently, then choose your delete account option here. If you delete your account permanently, then all profile messenger or messages will also be deleted permanently. But we're deactivating for now, so just select deactivate account and tap continue. And then after this, here all you need to do is give your account password. If you have forgotten your password, then you can recover it by clicking on this forget password option as well, and tap on continue button here. Now here you must give your region to deactivate your account, so choose the top option. This is temporary, I will be back. And after that, tap on this continue button again. After you do this, you'll get to choose days by clicking on this drop down option here, after how long you want your account to be reactivated. So you can choose any of them, and if you don't want your account to be automatically reactivated, then you can also choose don't reactivate automatically. So for now, I will be choosing 1 day, and with this my account will be reactivated after 1 day. And after this, all you need to do is tap on this done button here, and then tap on continue button. So the final step that all you gotta do for your temporary deactivation is tap on this deactivate my account. And as you can see that my account has been temporarily deactivated. You can also reactivate it anytime you like by giving your associated phone number or email and entering your password again. So this was it for today guys. I hope you all guys liked the video, and if you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.